Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Mezmereyez by Tonoi. I'm Markeisha Tonoi. If you're new, thank you so much for joining. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and if you've been here, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super cool video on the Huda beauty palette, and I don't know, is her name Huda or is it Huda? I don't know, but whatever. I have a fun video using this. I have it on my eyes right now, and I just love this palette. It's awesome. So I decided to just do a quick video. So if you guys like what you see, go ahead and stay tuned. I promise it's a pretty short one. It's not too long. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want me to do a video on something of your choice, let me know. I'm always open to requests. Love you guys. Bye. So once you're done adding the concealer to your brows, you want to go in with either translucent powder or maybe something even your skin tone. I'm just going to go in with Cover FX, and I'm using, this is Morphe R40, and I'm just going to lightly dust this all over. And this color, it has a little bit of tint to it, but it's okay if the color goes everywhere because you can just dust it off. So now we're going to go in with the Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to use technically this color, Amber OUD, I'm not sure what that is, Oud? I don't know. That color, and then these two colors. But I'm going to start off with the lightest first. So I'll start off with the Blazing, which was at the bottom first. And I'm just going in with the same brush that I used to place the powder on. Really focus the color on the outer corner right here. And then lightly swoosh the rest in. Okay, so once I'm done putting on Blazing, I'm going to go in with the color Amber. And I'm going to use that same exact brush. So now I'm going in with Saffron, and I'm switching to Morphe's M412. And I'm going to place the color mainly like right in this area. So that I'm going to just do little circular motions literally at the edge only. So now I'm going to be using this color Blood Moon right there. And I'm going to be placing that over the lid. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. I'm going to go in with that brown color, and I'm going to smoke out the edges again just to kind of make it all come together. Okay, so I did my liner off camera. I am now going to go in with foundation, and I'm going to be mixing my Fenty with my Maybelline. This is my first time mixing these two. I don't know, I just like mixing foundations just to get like that perfect color. So we'll see if this one does it. Only thing about both of these foundations, both the Maybelline and the Fenty, when I put them on, when I first put them on, I feel like they are not my color and I always freak out, and then I remember this happens every time. They both have a very orangish undertone, which I like have that kind of undertone, but just when it first comes on I look very Oompa Loompa-ish. Okay, so I applied my foundation. Now I'm going in with a little bit of concealer. I am using Pro Longwear in the color NC45. It's by Fenty. It's just like a salmon-y color. I don't know. It's just very, very light. And when I blend it in with my foundation, it always looks amazing. I'm just going over here first. And then I'm taking the color and putting it over there as well. On my nose. I put way too much on my nose. Then a little bit on my forehead. Okay, so once I'm done blending in all of the concealer, I am going to, I guess I'll set my face a little bit. So I'm not going to bake just because I feel like I already have so much concealer on. So I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline, my MakeupForever. What is this? It's just like a loose powder, and it's like this orangey color. And I'm just going to set that under, and then I'm going to kind of bring it all over. Also forgot to tell you, I got a small concealer brush and I kind of perfected my eyeliner with the concealer when I was blending everything in. So now I'm going back in the palette and I am going to put the color Saffron, which is this one at the bottom, the palette's upside down, and I'm going to just put that under. Now I'm going back in with my Stila and I'm going to just put this on the waterline. Now I'm going in with my blush. I'm going to be using e.l.f. and I'm going to be using... I'm going to mix these colors. Looking a little clownish, not gonna lie. But it's okay. We can fix that. So I'm going to be going in with, I haven't used this in forever, the Glow Kit by Anastasia. This is Sun Dipped. And I'm going to be going in with, I think we'll try Summer. So I'm going to use my Beauty Blender and I'm just going to kind of pick it up on here and then put it on. Putting it all over my lips. So then I'm going to get my rose water. I'm going to spray it again. Then I'm going to go over those areas just to kind of make it blend in a little bit better. So for my lipstick, I'm going to be putting on the Lip Bar, and this color is Maneater.